In the name of Allah, good morning, grade 4. How are you? Miss you much. Can't wait to see you, my superstars. Today, we will complete our lessons online. Please open page 81, lesson 4, all about chocolate. What a delicious start! Yummy!
Chocolate, chocolate, sweet, brown and yummy. Chocolate, chocolate, I want it in my tummy. Chocolate, chocolate, sweet, brown and yummy. Chocolate, chocolate, I want it in my tummy. Sugar, cocoa, milk, we mix it all together and sugar, cocoa, milk, we mix it all together and chocolate, chocolate, sweet, brown and yummy. Chocolate, chocolate, I want it in my tummy. Chocolate, chocolate, sweet, brown and yummy. Chocolate, chocolate, I want it in my tummy. What is cacao? Have you ever wondered which ingredients go into making chocolate? Would you be surprised to learn that one of the main ingredients is a kind of seed that looks like this? The seeds grow on cacao trees, which can be found in warm tropical regions, such as here in the Ivory Coast, which is on the west coast of Africa, nearly 3,000 miles away from the United Kingdom. They also grow in lots of other countries in the tropics, such as Ecuador, Brazil, and Indonesia. This is because all of these places are warm and humid. The cacao trees produce large, colourful pods that look like this, hard and melon-shaped. They grow straight from the trunk and larger branches of the trees. And once they have ripened from green to yellow, red or orange, the farmer knows they are ready for harvest. There are a few different varieties of cacao. The trees resemble apple trees and grow no more than 25 feet tall. The farmer harvests the cacao pods using a very sharp blade. It's hard work in the hot sun, but the farmers are very skilled. The pods are then cut open to reveal the white fleshy fruit and seeds inside.
My dear students, after we watched that song, let's know now what are the aims for our lesson. Of course, we are in Unit 6, Lesson 4, all about chocolate. Lesson objectives. Number 1, reading. Read for comprehension. Number 2, writing. Write about food growth and production. Number 3, we will have critical thinking. How things are processed. We have some important vocabulary like chocolate, food growth and production, melt in our mouth, harvested, cut down, cocoa pods, shells, cracked, roasted, paste, and mixture. Let's start our lesson. Okay, after we watched the video, let's read our lesson. Growing. Chocolate is made from cocoa beans, which grow on a tropical tree called the theobroma. My dear students, just I wanted to remind you, we are on page 86, lesson 4, all about chocolate. And we are number 1, talk about it. What is your favorite kind of chocolate? Do you know what a chocolate is made of? How is it made? Who manufactured the first chocolate bar? Why does the chocolate melt in our mouth? Think about the answers of these questions. Okay, now we have an amazing fact. Did you know that there are over 500 different varieties of chocolate? Number 2, read. Read and check your answers. From bean to bar. The first chocolate bar was invented by Joseph Fry in 1847. Growing. But I want before we read about it, why don't we watch a video? Tell us about all about it. Now, my dear, it's your turn to read the lesson and answer number 3. Now, number 3. Have you read? Now, listen to the question. Read and decide if the sentences are true or false. Number 1. Cocoa beans are grown in hot countries. Think about it. If it is true or false. Number 2. Cocoa beans are harvested once a year. Once, only one time. Number 3. The workers climb the tree in order to cut down the cocoa pods. Is that true or false? After the shells are cracked, the beans are roasted. Number 5. They add sugar to the paste so that it is sweet. Number 6. When the mixture is heated, we have the final product. True or false? I'll give you a couple of minutes to finish them. Then I'll come back with you with the answers to make sure are your answers true or false. Please finish them first.